The Bugatti Tourbillon 2026 is the all-new hypercar from Bugatti, revealed in June 2024 as the successor to the Bugatti Chiron. Production is extremely limited, only 250 units worldwide. It marks a bold shift for Bugatti. Rather than simply refining the Chiron, the Tourbillon is built from the ground up with a completely new chassis, bodywork, and hybrid powertrain. Under the hood is a naturally aspirated 8.3-liter V16, no turbocharged W16 like the Chiron. That engine is paired with 3 electric motors, 2 on the front axle and 1 at the rear, turning the Tourbillon into a hybrid AWD hypercar. Together, the total power output approaches around 1,775 to 1,800 horsepower, depending on spec. Performance is staggering: 0 to 100 km per hour in around 2 seconds, 0 to 300 km per hour in around 10 seconds, 0 to 400 km per hour in under 25 seconds. The top speed is limited to 380 km per hour, but with a special speed key, it can go up to 445 km per hour. For the hybrid part, a 24.8 kilowatt-hour battery, or actually around 25 kilowatt-hours depending on source, gives the Tourbillon a modest all-electric range of around 60 kilometers, enough for short, silent drives. Body and chassis are built around a next-gen T800 carbon composite monocoque, integrating battery structure, carbon fiber panels, and weight-saving design techniques. Suspension is all new, multi-link front and rear with aluminum components, ditching the Chiron's old double wishbone steel setup. This helps reduce suspension weight by about 45% versus the older model. Aerodynamics are carefully considered. Airflow is managed through subtle entry points, a carbon fiber underbody diffuser under the rear, and an active rear wing that acts both as downforce generator and air brake. Wheels and tires and braking. Bespoke setup, including large rear wheels, rear 345/30 R21 and front 285/30 R20, and carbon ceramic brakes operated with a brake-by-wire system for maximum stopping power. Driving feel and interior. Analog meets modern. Rather than embracing full digital dashboards, Bugatti opted for a horological, analog-inspired instrument cluster, crafted like a fine watch, prioritizing tactile controls, precision, and driver connection. The cabin combines luxury materials, leather, machine metal, and crystal glass for center console, with minimalist elegance, fixed floor seats, adjustable pedals, a floating aluminum center console, and a hidden high-definition screen for non-driving functions. The intention: deliver the visceral feel of a classic hypercar while retaining the benefits of modern hybrid engineering, speed, control, and sophistication without digital overload. Visually, the Tourbillon keeps key design DNA from Bugatti's heritage: horseshoe grille, center hood ridge, two-tone split color schemes, and sweeping lines, while evolving into a sleeker, more aggressive stance: lower roofline, wider fenders, and narrower cockpit. What a U.S. version might mean. Because Tourbillon is built for global customers, a U.S. spec export model would likely follow the same engineering: hybrid V16 plus 3-motor AWD, same performance numbers, same craftsmanship. There's no public indication that Bugatti plans a tamed-down U.S. version, because owning a Tourbillon requires being part of Bugatti or Rimaac's exclusive clientele. Demand and status are part of the equation. However, for the U.S.